Alrighty guys, we got a 2000 Cadillac Deville. He's gonna become one of our customers. Something pretty sad happened. They broke into his car and they stole his in-dash, and they also stole his flip down. So we're gonna be replacing, and I mean, obviously with the wiring how they had it, it wasn't a real good job, so we'll take care of that and clean it up the way it's supposed to be. I mean, that doesn't look professional at all. But we'll take care of him on that. We'll set up that correctly, and we're gonna be putting him in a Tview flip out 7-inch touchscreen, and then a Tview flip down a 15-inch. Let's get to it. Okay, there it is, guys. That's the index right there. It's actually playing iPod right there, and honestly, not that bad. I mean, it connects right up to the iPod. Man, that's awesome. And it's even charging iPod as well. You see right there? You can see it or not. But it's charging it though. That's bad. And I mean, it's not bad at all. I mean, it's actually the way it should be, you know. I mean, I know some of these lower end units are very bad on the iPod, but man, I mean, this is pretty good, man. Come back up to the main menu, go to the radio. That's pretty clean though. That's very clean. Sounds good to me. Okay guys, and then also we also got the rear TV installed as well. And then we also got the rear 15-inch flip down installed, guys. Also got a pretty nice LED lighting as well if you ever need lights back here. All the controls for it, the IR headphone wired out, and also in for the remote to control it. And the contrast features, volume, audio video 1, audio video 2. See, and you see how you can see it's still off from the side. It doesn't go black and white. This is a good quality monitor, TV. The cheaper ones that are like LCD, but like the entry level ones, those off to the side, you'll go to like a ghost, like black and white. But see, this is phenomenal, man. This one's clean, clear. Nice clear picture, no lines or anything or engine noise coming through. That black filter capacitor really does the trick, the inductor. So there we are. Let's go ahead and give it to him, guys. Job well done.